Next, Policy Brief, a presentation of the policies of the United States government.
The United States has recently agreed to send another $105 million in aid to the famine and drought-stricken Horn of Africa, bringing the total amount of U.S. contributions so far this year to $565 million. Dr. Rueben Brigety is the U.S. Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Population, Refugees, and Migration. He said the U.S. Agency for International Development has pre-positioned food within the drought-affected regions. The United States is also working with the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees to help those who have fled to neighboring countries.
We continue to work as well with a number of non-governmental organizations that provide essential services such as healthcare, primary education, protection for gender-based violence, etc. So this is an incredibly complex operation in the best of times, and particularly now in the midst of crisis, it becomes even all the more complex.
Aggravating the situation, anti-government insurgents linked to the al-Qaeda terrorist network have banned most foreign aid groups from operating in the affected areas that are under their control. The insurgents recently withdrew from Mogadishu, said Dr. Brigety, but the security situation is still very dangerous.
The most important thing that can happen would be for al-Shabaab in a completely unlimited way to open areas under its control to international humanitarian organizations to provide access so people can be assisted with vital food and life-saving assistance exactly where they are.
That was Policy Brief, a presentation of the policies of the United States government.